Bonfire pricing explained what you get for your money. Bonfire isn't just a custom apparel platform. You won't believe how it simplifies fundraising and personalized merchandise for individuals and organizations. Most people get this wrong by assuming you pay a lot upfront, but the surprising truth is that Bonfire allows you to design, sell, and fundraise with minimal upfront costs. Pricing is simple. You pay only for the items sold. T-shirts, hoodies, and accessories have base costs, and you can set your own selling price above that. For example, a t-shirt might cost to produce, and if you sell it for, you keep profit. You won't believe how easy it is to calculate fundraising goals and expected profits. Most people get this wrong by not factoring in shipping or optional premium features, but Bonfire provides transparent breakdowns before launching your campaign. Additional costs may include priority shipping or upgraded product options, but these are optional. The platform also offers free design tools, making it simple to create appealing merchandise without graphic design experience. In conclusion, Bonfire pricing is straightforward and low risk, reflecting its mission to help fundraisers and small creators succeed. By understanding production costs, setting reasonable selling prices, and leveraging design tools, you get more than just apparel. You get a platform that empowers fundraising and creative expression.